So in this video here, I want to explain a few probability phrases and how to write them in terms of their cumulative inequalities or equalities, depending on what you need. So I've got greater than 6, no more than 4, at least 8, fewer than 7, or at most 8. Let's pick 8 for that. So what we want to do is write them in terms of an inequality or equality. Now, ideally, when we're talking in cumulative terms, we're looking for something to contain probability, random variable, let's call it x, is less than or equal to some value k, where k is a real number. Now, k is normally not a natural number, so it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, la la la, but it can, in some cases, be fractions, maybe 0. But that's what we want to do. So to write this in terms of one of these, so we want to have that somewhere to show us what we need to do. So greater than 6. So greater than 6. So what's that saying is, first of all, it's saying that x is greater than 6. It's not allowing equal to 6. So probability of x is greater than 6. What we want is the reciprocal of the less than and equal to. So we want to write that in terms of 1 minus probability x is less than or equal to 6. Because then that will exhaust all the values of x from 7, 8, 9, 10 all the way upwards. So that would be a way of writing greater than 6. So my pen is alive. There we go. The pen wants to join in the questions. Okay, no more than 4. So 4 is actually our limit. So 4 is included, so but no more. So what we're looking for here is x is less than 4 and equals to, because 4 is also included. So then to write this, we could write this as the probability, as it's in this format already, we'll just write probability x is less than or equal to 4. And that'd be that one taken care of. Okay, now this one says at least 8. So when it says at least 8, that means 8 is actually included. So we're looking for x is greater than or equal to 8. So what we're looking for that is to find ones that are a bit less than 8. So in terms of integers, the next one down is 7. So we want 1 minus the probability x is less than or equal to 7. So that will count all the probabilities from 0 to 7. And then with the 1 minus, they will be eliminated, only allowing us for the ones 8 and higher, which is what we're looking for, if that's the wording. So now we want fewer than 7. So fewer than 7 says that 7 is not actually part of it. So it's got to be less than 7. So now what we're saying is x is less than 7. So the next one down from that is going to be 6. So fewer than 7 would be probability x is less than or equal to 6. So that would take care of that one. And then here at most 8. So here 8 is included, but it's the maximum. So x is less than or equal to 8. So with that one, we could just write the probability of x is less than or equal to 8. And that would take care of that. So this is how I would write in terms of our inequalities, the cumulative inequality, to help us to get to our answers in probability questions using these 5 phrases. Okay.